Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to boost their online presence: search engine optimization, or SEO. If you're new to the world of digital marketing, SEO might seem like a daunting concept, but fear not. In this video, we're going to break down some essential strategies that beginners can implement to start optimizing their content for search engines. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding SEO basics. Before we delve into strategies, let's first understand what SEO is all about. SEO is the process of optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. The goal is to increase organic, non-paid traffic to your site by improving its visibility to users searching for relevant keywords. 2. Keyword research. One of the fundamental pillars of SEO is keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases that people type into search engines when looking for information. By identifying the right keywords for your niche, you can tailor your content to match the search intent of your target audience. Tools like Google, Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ubersuggest can help you discover relevant keywords and assess their search volume and competitiveness. 3. On-page optimization. Once you've identified your target keywords, it's time to optimize your content. This involves making strategic use of keywords in key on-page elements, such as titles, headings, meta descriptions, and body content. Remember to keep your content natural and engaging for readers while incorporating your target keywords in a meaningful way. Additionally, optimizing images with descriptive file names and alt text can further improve your website's SEO. 4. Building quality backlinks. Another crucial aspect of SEO is building quality backlinks to your website. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your site. Search engines view backlinks as votes of confidence in your content, which can positively impact your search rankings. Focus on acquiring backlinks from reputable and relevant websites within your industry. Guest blogging, outreach campaigns, and creating valuable content are effective strategies for earning backlinks. And there you have it, some essential SEO strategies for beginners. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires patience and consistency. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tutorials. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.